Hey guys! So today's video is going to be a quick little makeup tutorial so that I can talk about Glossier's new launch. I picked up two colors from the Glossier Skywash matte eyeshadow collection that they launched just last week. I do have some more coming in the mail, so I'll be doing another video once I get all those and are able to try them out. But I wanted to do a video right away because I was just really excited to try the colors that I'd gotten already. So anyway, if you'd like to see how these worked out for me and see them in a look together, please keep watching. And like always, before we start the video, I just want to remind you to please like this video if you found it helpful or interesting or fun or whatever. And please make sure to subscribe. I do a lot of videos like this. Lots of beauty tutorials, reviews, skincare. I'm getting more into clean beauty. And I'm also trying to add some fashion videos in there. So yeah, please show me some love so I know which types of videos you like best to watch. Okay. So I've done all my skincare, obviously, and I just have my sunscreen on. So I'm going to go in with my Juice Beauty Concealer, which I use as a foundation and concealer. I just did a review on this last week, actually, so I'll link that above me if you want to know more about this product. I really, really like it. Going in with my two favorite blushes at the moment, and for the past year, honestly. We got the Glossier Cloud Paints in Dusk and Beam. I'm gonna do what I usually do. I do this in basically every tutorial, so I won't go too much into it, but I just apply Dusk on my cheekbones, forehead, chin, and then Beam will just be on the apples of my cheeks. Alright, next up, I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals Powder Concealer, and then I'm gonna use a little concealer brush with the Juice Beauty Concealer and just kind of go in and give some extra coverage to those little spots that are having a hard time. Okay, so now for eyebrow time, I have been using this, actually it's an eyeshadow, but it's the perfect color for my eyebrows, so I've been using it as an eyebrow gel. I'm gonna have a review on this coming up soon. I just wanna use it a little more fully. And this is Fat in the Moon's Eye Kohl, and it's just their brown one. They have a lot of different colors. So unfortunately, I can't recommend this unless it's like the exact color of your eyebrows, but I really like it so far. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff now that my face is ready. I have two of the Glossier Skywash colors. I have Pool and Pebble. It's the neutral taupey color and the obviously powder blue. I'm not going to do a full review on these because I have some more coming in the mail, and I figure I might as well swatch them all and get a chance to use them for a few more days so I can give a better review. But I am going to apply these and just show you how they work and how they look. I think especially Pool and Lawn, the bright green one, people are most excited about, just because everyone's really intrigued by how they're going to look on people's skin. So I've only used both of these a few times so far, but I was really impressed with them. Just pulling it out, this is not messy at all. And then, I need a close-up mirror for this, unfortunately. All right. It's really hard, I'm wanting to talk about it, but I want to leave that until I get the other colors. And I am gonna do 2 layers of this blue because the light color is nice, but if I'm going powder blue, I want to go all the way powder blue. And I found that it works best in between layers if you let it dry and then come back to it. So I'm gonna do the other eyelid and then do a second layer. It is with 1 layer. Still really pretty. I like it, but like I said, I want to go full powder blue. So now that I've given it a minute to dry, I'm going to put on the second layer. All right, so this is Pool with 2 layers on, a lot more opaque. Very happy with how this product builds up. Okay, so I got a little bit on my eyelashes, but that'll be cleared up once I put the mascara on. So I'm just gonna ignore that for now, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of Pebble underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna kind of smear it on and then tap it in. I have done multiple layers with this color. I actually think the first time I wore it, I did 3 layers and it worked really well. But it's also a very light color on my skin tone, so I'm okay with that. It's a little more neutral on me and less like a pop of pink as it would be on a darker skin tone. Perfect. There we go. So that's exactly how I wanted. Now I'm going to put on some mascara so you can see how the final look is going to be. I put some on the bottom lashes as well because I thought you can put color down there. I should put mascara. And then I'm going to finish it off with this Canmake Melty Smooth Oil Gloss, which I've used quite a few times. I got it in Japan forever ago, and I'm just like slowly but surely using it up because I absolutely love it. Alright, so this is the finished look. Since I haven't had a chance to use these eyeshadows too much, kind of just my first impression of them so far has been that they are really fun to play with. A lot of people, I think, were kind of confused by why Glossier was doing like colorful matte eyeshadows, which kind of goes against their brand. But I think these are more in line with like the cloud paints where it's just there's a bunch of different colors and you can kind of just have fun with them. You can mix a bunch of them. You could do 2 on your eye like I did. You could do 1 on each eyelid. It's just kind of bringing back like the fun artsy kind of finger painting aspect that makeup can be. So far, yeah, pretty impressed with them. I'm waiting for the other ones I ordered and I'll do more wear tests just to see how long they actually last. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, that is it for the tutorial. Very simple, basically just my everyday look with the Glossier shadows added in because that's kind of been my main thing lately. I'm just really excited about this launch. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you like this video by liking it, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know down below what you thought of Glossier's latest launch. I know some people were disappointed. What color are you looking to try? What's been your favorite so far? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a more in-depth review.